Hi there, welcome to the video. In this video I am going to explain about the PHP code structure and how to run your first program of PHP. So let's create project folder. So inside the C, XAMPP is installed. So open the XAMPP and inside the htdocs, this is the file structure where all the PHP project are located. So I'm going to create a new project. So I will write here PHP tutorial. So with the help of Sublime Text Editor, I'm going to open the project I have created. So I will create a new file here, and this PHP file should be saved with PHP extension. So I will write the file name is first program.php. Always remember the extension should be .php and save. Now I am going to explain the PHP code structure. Every PHP code structure starts with smaller than symbol, question mark, PHP and ends with question mark and greater than bracket. Inside this you need to write the PHP code. So I am going to write on echo string, and I am going to show you how to run this code. So make sure the Apache and MySQL should start. Then you need to go to your browser and type localhost, then name of your project. Our name of project is PHP tutorial. PHP tutorial. Then open this file first program which we have write a program, and you can see the output string is printed. Now I am going to write an HTML code, and inside the HTML code I am going to print the PHP code. So to write an HTML code, type HTML. So in title I am going to write first program, and in the body section I am going to write a PHP code. So I'm going to write echo message. Although it is an HTML code, so you need to save this file as a .php extension. Let us see the output. We have given a command to print this string message. So let's see what is the output. So message is printed as we have given the instruction to print the message. So let me show you how to print a variable. So I'm going to erase this statement, and I will assign a variable whose value is 1. I will explain about the variables in the next video. Now I am going to print this variable. echo dollar $I, and let's see the output. I'm going to write here the value of I is, and I'm going to concatenate it. So let's see it output. It should print the value of I is 1. Yeah, as we have given instruction to print the string and the value of I, which is 1. You can see the expected result. So this is all about this video. I hope you have learned the PHP code structure and to run your first program of PHP. In the next video I am going to explain you about the echo, print, and the difference between echo and print. Thank you for watching Technology 021.